Good morning once again, grade 5s.
Good morning, Miss
Morning, teacher.
Morning, teacher.
Morning. It's time for maths. It's now time for maths. Okay, last week we have been looking at addition, and we added tens, we added hundreds, we added thousands, and we also did addition stories. We also added measurements, and now we are looking at subtraction of numbers, subtraction of whole numbers. That's our topic today. And just to check how good you are in subtracting, because at grade 5 level, you are supposed to be subtracting some numbers using your head. You are supposed to be very fast now in subtracting some numbers, and we are going to do just that, just to check your mental work there, just to check your mental to see if you can do this as quickly as possible. Okay, so first of all, we just do that, and then we move on to addition of tens, and then addition of hundreds and thousands. We'll just be picking on one or two from each. Okay. So to subtract, I also want you to know that there is another language, or we can use some other words that mean the same as subtract. And you are supposed to know this, because some people, when they know word subtract or the word minus, they don't know which sign that they are supposed to use. Can I have some other words that we can use for subtraction? Bethel, where is Bethel? Okay, Bethel cannot hear me.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what did you say, Bethel? Yes, a difference between. Yes, or Marvin.
Yes, teacher.
Marvin. There are some
Teacher.
people who are talking. Can I hear from Marvin? Can we have order? Okay, Marvin.
Take away.
Yes.
Take away.
Yes, take away. Another one.
Yes,
Nadia
teacher.
Marisa.
Count back.
Count back. Yes, brave. Minus Andile. Andile. Oh, we can't hear you, Andile. Okay. We can't hear you. I think there's something wrong there. Okay, we still have some hands standing here. Subtract, yes. Tawana.
Take away.
Yes, take away. Yes, it has been mentioned by Marvin there. Okay, now let's take away. Let's subtract. Let's do the minus there, or the difference. Okay, so we are going to do this. I'm going to call out on anyone. I'll say out some numbers, and then I'll just pick randomly. So be prepared, be ready, sit up straight, and be ready for your sum there that I'm going to give you. Okay. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, Nicholas. You don't work on mental work. You don't work. Please, Bethel, put your pen down. This is mental work. I want quick answers. Okay, Nicholas, 6 minus 5. Nicholas, you are on mute. Why do you always
Yes,
put
teacher.
yourself on mute
Teacher.
because it delays.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Tekile, people have already worked out this one. This one is not fair. Okay, I'm just going to pick on anyone to give me the answer, but people were working out while I was trying to talk to Nicholas there. Okay, Tandekile.
1.
One, okay, but this one was no longer mental work. You worked it out. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one, 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, Marvin. Marvin.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, 8.
Eight.
Good, Marvin. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Tanaka.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
9.
15 minus 11. 15 minus 11. Oh, you are thinking, Tawana.
Yes,
What?
teacher.
I said 15 minus 11.
Yes,
Mangwembe.
teacher.
Vanessa.
4.
Yes, 4. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9.
Yes,
Andy.
teacher.
Andy.
Yes, teacher.
Andy,
Yes,
we
teacher.
can't hear you. Can you write it down very fast? Because
Yes,
we can't
teacher.
hear you. There's something
Yes,
wrong
teacher.
with your phone there. Okay,
Yes,
Bethel.
teacher.
Bethel.
Yes, teacher. 0.
Yes, good. And 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Taniwa.
teacher.
Taniwa.
3.
3.
Yes, it's 3. I
Three.
thought you were going to say 0. Okay. 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10. Yes, Marvin. Marvin.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher. Yes,
Marvin,
teacher.
you can't hear.
Yes, teacher.
Tanaka.
Yes, teacher.
Tanaka. Oh, Tanaka cannot hear me again.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Uriel.
Yes, teacher.
4. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
4.
4.
Okay. The last one. The last one. The last one is 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. Brave. Brave. 13 minus 5.
8.
Yes, it's 8. Very good. You people, your brains are very sharp. I can see that. Thank you very much for that warm-up exercise. Okay, now let's move on to subtraction of tens. Now we are moving on to subtraction of tens. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you please turn your books? Turn your books, textbooks, turn them. And turn them. They are like this. Now turn them. Okay. Now let's work out this one quickly. 82. Write your tens and units first. Tens, units, and then 82 minus 36. 82 minus 36. Tens and units, we are adding the vertical way. Quickly.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, Tandekile is done already.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Now listen. Everybody wants to do that. Okay, wait. Now listen carefully how I want you to present it. And I want you to tell me, you are going to be explaining. I'm sure Bethel, Uriel, Nicholas, you know what I mean. You explain.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell us, and you are starting to subtract from the units there, and then you are going to explain. Don't just tell me the answer. You have to tell me how you got that answer.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes, Brave. Tandekile was the first. Sorry, Tandekile.
10 in unit. 82 and 36. 2 minus 6 is can't. So you
Yes.
add a 1 and cancel 3 and put a 4. Then say
Tandekile, you are correct, but you are saying you add a 1. Where did you get the 1? Is it a 1 that you add there? Guys, is it a 1?
no, ma'am.
Is it? What
A
is?
10.
Yes, it's a 10.
10.
Tandekile. That you have borrowed from where? You have borrowed it from where? Better you have forgotten. Nicholas Tadiwa there, you have forgotten until. Uriel, where have you borrowed the 10 from?
What, teacher?
From? From the 10s. You have borrowed it from the 10s there. You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And then that 3 that you are cancelling there, Tandekil. Why are you cancelling it? Why are you cancelling it? Tell us. Why are you canceling? Can somebody help? Uriel?
We cancel 3 and then we give it a 1 and it becomes 4.
I am saying, that's what Tandekile said. I am saying, why are you canceling it? Yes, Bethel? Yes, you are returning that 10 that you borrowed there. So you cancel it and it becomes a 4. Tandekile, that was correct. But I just wanted some clarifications there so that you know why you are doing that. You don't just do it, but you do it knowing why it is like that. Okay, Tandekile, can you now tell us your answer now?
Then we say 12 minus 6. Then it is 6.
Yes.
Then say 8 minus 4. It is 4.
Yes,
The answer
very
is
good.
46.
Yes, very good, Tandegile. Well done, well done, well done. There are some people who have got a tendency of forgetting to return the tens that they would have borrowed there, and they just leave it like that. Okay, now let me give you another one under the tens. Maybe let me give you 2 more. Can you copy them at once? Number them is 1 and 2. Okay, so number one that we want to work there is 31 minus 19. 31 minus 19. And then number 2, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, number 2, 27 minus 18. 27 minus 18. Okay, so we can work them out and then we discuss together. Number 1, 31 minus 19. Don't forget your tens and units at the top. And then 2, 27 minus 18. Leander, Dominic, open your videos.
It's open, teacher.
Tandegile, there is someone, I think, okay, this is, okay, sorry, it's Wotumelo. I thought it's your other phone there.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
So you are done with both?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's hear. Gotumelo, open your video and unmute yourself. And welcome to our maths lesson. We are doing subtraction. Okay, Vanessa, we are going to do the first one. And then the second one, Bethel. Okay, let's hear Vanessa.
Tens and units. 31 minus 19.
Mm.
9 times we we borrow a 1 from 10.
At
Then
10, we borrow 110 from the tens, yes?
we cancel 1. We give 1 from 10 equals to 2. 11 minus 9. 2. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Our
Hey,
answer is
your answer is
12.
we borrow 110 from the tens and give it to that one, and it becomes 11. 10 plus 1, it becomes 11. And then we also give a 1 there at the bottom under the tens, because we are returning the tens there to 1, and it becomes a 2, because 2 tens they give us what 20 there. And then you say 11 minus 9, and then 3 minus 2, like what you have said. Understand that you are borrowing 110, and then you add it there to the units at the top, and you get your answer from there. Okay, let's hear from Bethel, number 2. Let's be
Units
quick.
and 10. 27 minus 18. We borrow a 110 and then we give it to borrow a 110 from 10, and then 7 becomes 17. And then we say 1 plus 1 from the units, it becomes 2. It's because we have borrowed a 10 and then it becomes a 2. So we say 17 minus 8, it's 9. 2 minus 2 is 0.
And if the 0 is at the beginning, what do we do? Do we write it? Huh?
We do not
No.
write.
Yes, we don't write it unless if it is at the center or at the end there. So you just write a 9 only. Okay, let's move on to the hundreds, guys. We are running short of time. Let's have an example from hundreds there. And from the hundreds, can you do 900? 900 minus 468. 900 minus 468. This time you have got your hundreds, tens, and units there. 900 minus 468. Bethel, are you done already? Can we have a different person this time? Let's have a different person. Those who have already worked out, we are not going to pick you. Let's have new people, Let's be fast. Luanda, Wotumelo, Dominic, open your videos. Tadiwa, Marisa there. Open your videos and unmute yourselves. I want to see you.
Teacher,
Yes. You want to do it?
it's open.
Can we have boys? Boys, where are you? Last time it has been girls. Now we want boys. Okay, Uriel. Oh. He's frozen. He's frozen. Uriel, you are frozen. Okay. Yes, can you talk?
100 tens and units.
Hmm.
0 minus 8, it counts, so we give 0
We
a
borrow.
10,
We borrow.
and we give
We borrow
and we
110. Uriel.
0, 1, 10 to 0, it becomes 10, and we give 1 to 6, it becomes 7.
You are speaking like you are running out of oxygen. Uriel, speak like you have breath in you. We can't hear you. Umoya uyahamba yini?
Then,
Hmm.
then we borrow 0, a 1, a 10, and we give 4 a 5. 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 5, 4.
Yes,
Our
thank you
answer
very
is
much.
400.
432. Okay, thank you very much. That's correct. But I want people to keep practicing that we are borrowing and returning there. Borrowing and returning. Now let's have one last example. One last example from the thousands. One last example from the thousands there. And let's work out 6,243. 6,243. 6,243 minus 3,286. Okay. Tanaka, are you working? Oh, people are coming and going there. In case you didn't hear what I was saying, these are the numbers. You are frozen, guys. Oh, it seems we are having network problems there. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Yes, thank you for coming back.
Hello.
Okay. Can we have someone who is done? We are running short of time now. We are running short of time. Okay, while we are waiting, can you please take these numbers down? Take these numbers down. Practice exercise 1. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, practice exercise 1. You are going to do number 6 to 10. 6 to 10 for practice exercise 1. Number 6 to 10. And then we are also doing practice exercise 2, number 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Practice exercise 1, number 6 to 10. Practice exercise 2, number 1 to 5. And then lastly, practice exercise 3. Practice exercise 3, number 6 to 10. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we have 15 altogether. Under 10, practice exercise 1, you are doing number 6 to 10. And then practice exercise 2, hundreds, number 1 to 5. And then practice exercise 3, number 6 to 10. Okay, do you get me?
Exercise one
Yes,
was
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you haven't understood, come to my inbox. I'll try to explain on Google Classroom there. Okay, but if you have confusion, please come to my inbox. For now, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Okay.
Bye, teacher. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.